Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Tony Pinson, and my presentation is entitled Khan Academy Adaptive Learning for 11th and 12th grade Computer Science. But first of all, what is adaptive learning? Adaptive learning is an educational methodology in which students are encouraged to engage in self-paced study, while the learning environment customizes resources and learning activities to meet their individualized needs. One of the reasons that I chose the Khan Academy is because of its breadth and its diversity. First of all, it has courses for everyone from pre-K all the way up to through college. And the subject areas include everything from math to algebra, well, trigonometry, calculus, statistics, to biology, physics, chemistry, and as well as U.S. history, um, and the various reading and language arts. It also has economics and life skills, but most of all, it's got computer programming or computing. And that's the area that I want to focus on. Um, my utility for the educational tool. And that is the reason by which I intend to incorporate it into my classroom. But I'll do that sporadically as the curriculum and the um, calls for. But I'll focus on programming and or the programming languages and some internet safety. And as you can see, it has um, programming examples from Python and Ruby and C++, and of course JavaScript, and which is what the JS stand for, and so forth and so on. The process by which Khan Academy goes about um, engaging the student is basically through videos and through what they call talk throughs. And basically, talk throughs are like videos, but but they're a little bit more interactive, and they'll allow the student to pause and to play and even play with the coding examples and so forth to help kind of deepen their understanding of what's actually going on in the coding scripts and so forth. But it also uses step-by-step coding challenges, such as in this particular case, we've got the Bugtooth Bunny coding challenge. Um, and, those coding challenges kind of, they're guided, and the platform or the learning environment kind of gives the students hints to help them along the way. But most of all, it kind of encourages them to practice. As they say, practice makes perfect, or at the very least, it makes students more proficient. But you know, the Khan Academy also, gives them projects and things of that nature to work on. Like in this particular example, it's giving them an example of how to code a dinner plate in one way or another. Um, and but and so and it also gives them the opportunity to freelance a little bit with these coding examples and so forth. But all in all, in computer programming alone, Khan Academy has roughly about 40 talk-throughs, about 35 challenges, and 9 basic projects, all designed to teach the students the basic fundamentals of computer programming. and which should give them a pretty solid foundation from learning any particular language that they might be interested in learning, um, moving forward. So that's basically my presentation on the Khan Academy and adaptive learning. I hope you've learned something new. Um, and um, and these are my references.